Hi guys, my name is Carolina Dalí. I'm a celebrity makeup artist from New York City, and today I'm so excited to show you some of my favorite editorial looks as well as my personal everyday makeup looks using Glow Recipe. Dewy skin for me is about glowing skin that looks healthy. It's not about seeing shine particles on the skin, but it's about skin that looks like it's lit and glowing from within. And the only way to achieve that, quite honestly, is through good skincare. I'm now gonna start with the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I've been using retinol since I was about 17, and I really credit it for not only maintaining the health of my skin, but also helps prevent fine lines. I'm gonna start applying some on my cheeks, a bit on my forehead. And as you see, I always use outward motions. Always don't forget, it's not just about your face, your neck is very important. And now I'm gonna let that sit for about 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna dip my muslin cloth in water, and then I'm just gonna very gently start to remove the mask. I'm gonna use the Gentle Blueberry Cleanser to wash it off. This sucks really nicely. Okay, now that I've cleansed my skin after the mask, I'm gonna use the Watermelon Glow Toner, and check out this bouncy texture. The watermelon toner helps give your skin some needed hydration after you have cleansed. It also helps tighten your pores. So now that I've applied my toner, I'm gonna go in with the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. This texture is super smooth, and I'm just gonna apply it around the eyes. This is very important because this is the area where we tend to get crow's feet. It's also beautiful under makeup. It allows for your concealer and your eyeshadow to glide on smoothly. Now I'm gonna move on to the hydrating step. I'm gonna combine the Pineapple Vitamin C Serum and the Watermelon Glow Moisturizer together. And I'm just gonna combine them together on the palm of my hand. The Vitamin C Serum also gives your skin that beautiful natural glow. I'm going to moisturize my skin using the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. The beauty of this moisturizer is it helps give you that glowing skin without it looking greasy. It won't clog your pores, and it's safe to use for those who are acne prone. I'm gonna start off by using a peachy pink shade on the outer corners, and I'm gonna blend it out. The colors should look like whispers. And for this, I'm only using eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of a cream shadow on my ring finger, and I'm gonna go in to the center. And now I'm doing a eyeshadow so that the color shows up more vibrant. I'm gonna go into the center of the eye. Now I'm gonna apply a whisper of blue along the brow bone. Make sure it's nice and blended. Just a little dusting of blue. So now I'm just gonna apply a bit of concealer. I'm gonna go into the lash line. I'm gonna go in with the pink, and I'm gonna marry the pink peachy color with the upper lid and lower lid. I'm stopping about 1/3 into the eye, and I'm leaving a blank space in the center because that's where the blue is gonna go. And I'm gonna apply just a little touch on the center of the eye. Using a brown liner, I'm going to go just along the root of my lashes. This will help give your eyes a bit more shape now that you have the color on. So you want to just go right on the root of the lash like that. I'm going to start with my first coat of mascara, which I'm only going to apply to the outer corner of the lashes. And then the second coat of mascara that I'm going to do, I'm going to do all along the lashes. And I'm going to do just one coat of mascara on the lower lashes. On most days, I don't even wear foundation. And if I do, it is the smallest amount possible. So I'm going to start off by spraying a little bit of the Watermelon Glow Mist on my foundation brush. I'm gonna spray my contouring bronzing brush with a bit of the Watermelon Mist. That's going to make it so that the color transfer of the bronzer is seamless and more natural. And I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit under the cheekbone, along the nose, and a little bit just around the temple. I'm just very gently tapping in the blush. I am going to move on to the cream highlighter. I'm also going to apply a little touch above the brow bone, on the brow bone, and then I'm going to apply a touch on my Cupid's bow. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of the Glow Recipe Lip Balm. It's a lip balm exfoliator in one, but once you apply it on the lips, it gives you like a customized pink shade of what your natural lip color is. And the look is complete. Feel free to check out the rest of the Glowpedia videos.